Students, this is class number 74. In this class, I am going to explain polar representation of a complex number. Polar representation of a complex number. Let us take a complex number. Let z equals x plus I y is any complex number. Z equals x plus I is any complex number. I told you already, students, a complex number can be represented by using ordered pairs. That means every complex number in a plane represents point. Complex number means in a plane it represents a point. So right, I can take this complex number as ordered pair x comma y. X comma y. Now look at this, students. So right, x axis, so y axis. I take this complex number. Complex number means a point in the plane. I take that point somewhere on the plane, pz. This is the complex number. Point means complex number z, or so pxy. So both the representations are correct. Point means complex number, means ordered pair. So right, now go for joining that pole. This is a pole. In the origin in complex plane is called as pole. This length r, the distance of complex number from the pole is called modulus, and angle made by OP with x-axis is called amplitude. This angle is called as argument over amplitude, and the coordinates r and theta. This can also be represented. So point, this is Cartesian form. This represents Cartesian form of a complex number. I can represent same point by using one more way, that is p r comma theta. One more way of representing the complex number. This is in Cartesian form. This is in polar form. Polar form. The coordinates r and theta. The coordinates r and theta are called as polar coordinates. R and theta are called polar coordinates. So these two coordinates are called as what? Polar coordinates. You know this very well. This length is y. So this length is x. This length is y. This length is x. From the triangle, sin theta equals. From the triangle, sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So y by r. That implies y equals cross multiply this r sin theta. Y equals r sin theta. Again from the triangle cos theta, you take cos theta. Cos theta is x by r. From the triangle cos theta is x by r. From that x equals r cos theta. X equals r cos theta. Now, that complex number z equals x plus iy. So tell me that, students, z equals what that x is r cos theta plus I into what is that y? What that y is? What that y is? R sin theta. R sin theta. Remove r as common. So that equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So this representation of z is called as polar representation. It is called as polar form of complex number. By that is called polar form of z. I hope you understood this, students. What is the polar form of a complex number? R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Polar form of any complex number is r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Now let us go for solving problems on this. So okay, students, right. Students, let us go for solving problems. So look at that question. Express the following complex numbers in polar form. So to get that polar form, finding r and theta required. If you know how to find out modulus and argument, so writing polar form is so easy. First let us take this first question. Solution. So let z solution. Z is equal to 1 plus I root 3. Z equals 1 plus I root 3. So write x is 1, y is root 3. So r modulus. Tell me r value. So r. Tell me formula for r. R means modulus. R equals root of x square plus y square. X square plus y square. Root of 1 square 1 plus root 3 whole square 3. 1 plus 3, it is root 4. Root 4 is 2. Now let us find out theta. So theta equals tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y means root 3. X is 1. Tan inverse root 3. I already told you to remember these three numbers related to tan. So for tan, you remember these three numbers. 1 by root 3, 1 root 3. Tan ಗೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Tan ಗೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is the number for the angle pi by 6. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. This is the number for the angle pi by 4. This is the number for the angle pi by 3. 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. Agar tan inverse root 3 yesterday, tan inverse root 3, it should be pi by 3. Already I explained these things in that last class. Pi by 3. Pi by 3. Polar form. So polar form is so z equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta. Just you substitute for r and theta. Tell me r value. 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. So this is the polar form of a complex number. This represents polar form of a complex number. Now let us go for solving next question. So next question. So right. So next question is z equals 1 minus sin. X is 1, y is minus 1. Real part, imaginary part. Find out r, modulus r. So r equals root of x square plus y square. So root of x is 1, 1 square 1 plus y is minus 1 whole square. How much is minus 1 whole square? Plus 1. So 1. So 1 plus 1 root 2. We got to r value. So theta, so tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y means minus 1, x is 1. I told you to remember this point. Put numerator minus directly outside. And for the denominator minus use pi minus. This I already told you to whenever theta required. Theta ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಗೆ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಗೆ ಪೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಫುಲ್ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್, how much is tan inverse 1? Pi by 4. So we got both r and theta. Polar form is z equals, so r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So polar form is z equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So r, tell me r, root 2. So root 2 into cos, tell me theta, minus pi by 4 plus I into sin minus pi by 4. So this representation of a complex number is called as polar form of a complex number. Let us solve one more question. So one more. 1 plus I root 3. This question has already been solved. 1, 2. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So right. Let us solve one more question. So right. So next question is, so if you take 1 plus I, so let z equals 1 plus I. Method is same method. You follow same method, students. So right there. So x is 1. So y is 1. Find out r. R equals root of x square plus y square. Root of 1 square 1. So it is root 2. So root 2. So theta equals tan inverse y by x. So tan inverse y. Y means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means 1. So tan inverse 1. 1 by 1 means 1. Tan inverse 1. Pi by 4. Now you write the polar form. Polar form is so z equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So tell me r. R means root 2. So root 2 into cos theta is pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. So we got polar form. Let us solve one more question. So one more question, students. Right. I solve this fourth question. Remaining questions you only try. That okay. equals minus root 3 plus I. Z equals minus root 3 plus I. So right, tell me x value. X equals root 3, y equals 1. Calculate R. R equals root of x square plus y square. So root of x square. X means root 3. Root 3 whole square 3. 1 square 1. 1. So x is minus root 3. X is minus root 3. X is minus root 3. Y is 1. Minus root 3 whole square. How much is minus root 3 whole square? Plus 3. Minus root 3 whole square. Minus square plus. Minus square plus. Root 3 whole square, it is 3. You know that. 1 square 1, right? 4. So root 4. Root 4 means 2. Now find out theta value. See theta. Theta equals tan inverse y by x. So right. So tan inverse. Tell me y value. Y is 1. X is minus root 3. I told you. Put numerator minus directly outside. Numerator minus is ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ denominator minus ಗೆ pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ. We have denominator minus. So for the denominator minus, you use pi minus whatever we have. So pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. Pi minus tan inverse 1 by root 3. So so 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Is it related to 30 degree or 60 degree? 30 degree. So it is pi minus pi by 6. It is pi by 6. Tan inverse 1 by root 3 means 30. Pi by 6. Find LCM. You find out LCM. LCM is 6. Cross multiply. 6 into pi 6 pi minus 1 into pi 1 pi. So we are getting 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. Now let us write polar form. Polar form is z equals r into cos theta plus I sin theta. I sin theta. So r, what is r? It is 2. 2 into cos theta means 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin theta means 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. This is polar representation of a complex number. I hope you understood this, students. I saw that one more question. That last question you only solve. Right. Let us solve that last question. So right. Z equals minus 1 plus I. So pick x and y values from that. Solve. So right. So x is minus 1, y is 1, I coefficient. R equals so root of x square plus y square. So how much is minus 1 whole square? Plus 1. Plus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. It is root 2. So root 2. Now you calculate theta. Theta equals tan inverse y by x. So it is tan inverse. Y means 1. X means minus 1. I told you, put numerator minus directly outside. For the denominator minus, you use pi minus. Numerator minus directly ಆಚೆ ಹಾಕಿ denominator minus pi minus use ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. minus ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So pi minus. So tan inverse. Pi minus tan inverse 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So that is pi minus tan inverse 1. Pi minus tan inverse 1 means pi by 4. Pi by 4. LCM. So theta equals 4 pi minus 1 pi, 3 pi by 4. Now write polar form. Polar form is so R equals Z equals R into cos theta plus sin theta. Substitute for R and theta. Z equals R is root 2 into cos theta is for 3 pi by 4 plus sin into sin 3 pi by 4. Just substituting for R and theta. So we got that. This is about your polar forms, students. So right, let us stop this class. We shall continue the remaining in the next class. Thank you.